Welcome to Royal Motors, where we bring you the latest and most iconic motorcycles from around the world. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Honda Super Cub 100, a bike that carries decades of legacy while embracing modern-day practicality. Known as the world's most sold motorcycle, the Super Cub continues to evolve without losing its soul. Timeless design with modern touches. The 2026 Honda Super Cub 100 stays true to its classic step-through design, instantly recognizable at first glance. Honda has refined the body lines, improved paint quality, and added subtle chrome accents that enhance its premium feel. The round headlamp, slim indicators, and comfortable upright seating make it both stylish and friendly for riders of all ages. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Super Cub 100 is a refined 100 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, tuned for smooth and reliable performance. It's not built for speed, but for efficiency and everyday usability. The semi-automatic transmission makes riding effortless, especially in city traffic. Acceleration is gentle, predictable, and perfect for daily commuting. Fuel efficiency and reliability. Fuel economy has always been the Super Cub's strongest point, and the 2026 model takes it even further. With excellent mileage and Honda's legendary engine durability, this bike is extremely cost-effective. Low maintenance requirements and long service intervals make it ideal for riders who want worry-free ownership. Comfort and practicality. Honda has focused heavily on rider comfort in this model. The seat is well padded, the suspension is tuned for uneven roads, and the lightweight frame ensures easy handling. Whether you're riding solo or carrying light cargo, the Super Cub 100 feels balanced and stable in all conditions. Technology and safety. The 2026 Super Cub 100 features updated instrumentation with a clean, easy-to-read display. Modern safety additions like improved braking performance and enhanced chassis stability make it safer than ever, while still keeping the riding experience simple and mechanical. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Super Cub 100 is not about aggressive styling or high performance, it's about reliability, efficiency, and timeless appeal. For daily commuters, classic bike lovers, and anyone who values simplicity, this motorcycle remains a true legend. Stay